Hi, this is needlepointers.com. Do you knit, crochet, weave, or do other crafts that require yarn? If you do, you probably have a stash of yarn. Keeping your yarn stash in good shape and organized so colorful hanks, skeins, and balls of yarn can be found at a glance and easily accessible is a top priority. While lots of knitters and crocheters like to display their yarn, I opt to store yarn in stackable plastic bins. This keeps the yarn clean, dust-free, and away from creepy crawlers. For my yarn stash, I use 2 plastic bins. Let's look inside the first bin. Bin number 1 is filled with skeins of Worcester weight yarn. As you can see, the skeins are placed vertically, so it is easy to see all the colors. It looks like there's a lot in here already, but I still really have room for more. As you use the yarn and the wrapper becomes loose, what I do is I fold it over and place a piece of tape on it. Let me show you what I do. Here's one. It's getting loose and also it's a little ripped. So all I do is I fold it over and then I put a piece of tape along the fold to hold it, and it keeps the skeins nice. Even small skeins can be kept neat using this vertical method. In the second bin, I store other types of yarn such as cotton, wool, baby, and sports, along with balls of yarn. Small balls are stored in an 8 carton. Large balls of yarn are stored in a shoebox. To keep the ends of the balls from unraveling and tangling in the shoebox, I clip the yarn end with a hair clip. Now for some yarn don'ts. Don't store in direct sunlight. Don't store in a damp basement. Don't store in a hot attic. All of these can damage your yarn. I store my yarn in an extra closet in my home. Do you have too much yarn or yarn that you know you won't use? Consider donating it. Many schools, retirement homes, community centers, and charitable organizations accept yarn donations. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to organize and store yarn. Please like, share, and comment. Follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and go to our website, Needle Pointers, for a lot of free projects and tutorials by clicking the link in the video or in the description below. Have a wonderful day.